Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I'm actually falling behind on videos because I've been making multiple flights a day. Here's a stupid one pack. I like to edit videos and make them lots of fun. Speed them up. I don't like to speed up tricks, but I speed up all the boring parts. But this video you're just gonna have to suffer. And basically, the whole idea behind this was, can I fly my drone while being in a streetcar? And, it seems so. So, I don't know, this kind of stuff gets my jollies going, but I was also really, nervous. I had anxiety because I was like, if this drone hits anything, you know, I will have to, walk all the way from the stop to get it. And, I'm using the 03 and the Pocket with the, Express ELRS, and it's working, but I feel like there is some interference coming from this streetcar. Also, it just so happens that the streetcar was behind another streetcar. Hey, there I am. I don't know if you saw me. But it's basically behind another streetcar, so we didn't get to go and fly everywhere, and I was too scared to really rip it. So this is me flying like a pathetic, scared little person. I don't really know what to say. I don't know. It was fun. This is, I don't know, something I want to keep doing, except I want to be able to actually get a sick, freestyle at it while being in the subway, being in the Actually, I thought about doing it in a subway too, but I don't want to get in too much trouble. You know, there's Karens that are always after me. Within our community, we have to watch out because the vultures live within. Also, I love flying around people who do fly around people, but it's just so fun to see their reactions, and most of the time you get a smile or you get oh, I wonder who's doing that. But almost never do I get any negativity, because they don't I'm not trying to scare anyone. I'm just trying to be hello, I'm the drone. And then they're like, hi, that's cool. Someone's watching me. And most of the time, they don't ever cover their faces or anything. You see a smile upon their face. And that's what I like to do. I like to put a smile on their face. I like to put a smile on your face. And stuff like this puts a smile on my face. And I don't know why. It's just I get an idea in my head. And people be, oh, you do it for likes. Oh, you do it for the stupid attention. And it's just I do it more to fulfill the wonder within my heart. So it's gee, I wonder if I can actually go from where I'm going to where I'm going while following. I'm just this was so much fun. It really was. Now, once again, I'm not encouraging anyone to do anything like this. It's really, I don't know I don't think it's unsafe. Once again, I'm flying a little 200-gram drone, so if it was to hit anything, it would die. It would probably have a hard time even scratching a car. So it's a really harmless little thing. And there I go, justifying myself again. But I always tell you, just so that you can be sure that not to know that this is not a 5-inch, it's not a huge, dangerous, scary drone. It's just a naked 03 on my discus, which is the most wonderful sub-250 drone out there, especially with the 03. Only 205 grams, and that's with all the bumpers on them too, so I could take off the bumpers and get it down to probably around 200 grams. I ordered some bolts, so screws, nuts, all that stuff, that will be fun, and that was expensive too. But it's just, I don't know, let's try out this time stuff and see if it's all it's cracked up to be. I obsess over things and spend way too long trying to make things better, but that is why you can trust me and know that when you buy a discus, You're supporting someone that's spent years learning how to make these things. It's not my forte. I'm just a hairdresser, and a snake breeder, and a photographer, and now a drone designer. And we have a naked GoPro 10 on the way. Very excited to release that. And no, you can't have the STL. You can buy the prints off me to help support. And if you would like to support me, you can also join my Patreon for only $1. Be the best dollar you ever spend, because all the money that you give me, I won't spend on lavish vacations or on bad things. Oh man, no, I won't spend the money on those bad things. I will put all the money towards FPV stuff and being able to give you a better experience, and that's what I want to do. I want to keep making you smile. I want to keep making you laugh. I want to keep making you wonder what is going to happen next. And I want you to see the smiles on all these people's faces, okay? Smoochy smoochy.